Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Mary Better One. I had to didn't have to, but I did buy one yesterday. And when I say one, I mean a double burner. And I felt like this was an opportunity for me to do an unboxing and share what is inside the box. Now, I can personally tell you that the burner itself is not lightweight. It has a little weight to it. So it's not something that is lightweight. So if you want one that's, lightweight, this one is not that one. Because I feel like you can take this one, maybe and move it around, but it's a little heavy. So I'm gonna get right into it. And the name of this is Farberware. Farberware double burner. Now, what it says is it's convenient. And that's what I need, convenience. And it also provides additional cooking space. That's what I need. Now it says lightweight for easy portability, but it's a little heavy. It might just be me, but it says lightweight on the box, but it's kind of heavy to me. It says heavy duty solid burner plates. It says on the box that it's for household use only. That's what it says. Now, let me see what else it says on the box. Okay. But like I say, this is what I have. Gonna see if I can get into the box. Yeah, I might be a little lightweight this morning. Flip it over. Okay. And this is the burner itself without all the pots and pans on top of it. Yeah. This is what it looks like without the pots and pans. Okay. It says cast heat plate. It also says that there's a power light, separate ready light, back bumpers. Well, once I get into it, I'll find out what a back bumper is. Non-skid rubber feet. So the feet on this burner will allow it to stay in place. Non-skid. And let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, and then it says maximum pot size is 8 inches. The small eye, which is this one, it says 6 inches. So and you can see it a little better. Farberware double burner, so you can put 2 pots on. Now it says lightweight, but this has some weight to it. I'm not that weak, but this has some weight to it. So you won't be moving this around very much. But that's probably a good thing that it's got weight to it. And this is what it looks like. And this is what the plug looks like. And here we have the controls, the control button. And then it has a warning hot surface on the top. It makes you aware of that. Recommended pot size, and it tells you the pot size for this burner, and it has ridges on it so that the pots won't slide. And then it has the recommended pot size for this side, and like I say, it has the ridges on it that won't allow it to slide. Now I see what the bumper thing is. This keeps it from bumping into anything else. This is the bumper. And it has the controls have on it high and low, so that you can control what you're cooking. And this is the underside of it. It's vented. And that's how it comes in the box. Now, me personally, I believe that this is a great double burner. And I haven't tried it out yet, but it seems to be pretty nice. Now, I've forgotten how much I paid for this thing. Maybe like $35 from Walmart. Now, don't, quote me on that exact price, but I believe it was around $35. Pretty sure that's how much it was. So, I just wanted to come on and let you see the unboxing of this Farberware. And I do believe I'm pronouncing it right, Farberware. And before you go, I would like to say, have a great day and practice kindness.